I am Armenia. At the crossroads of ancient and new, I'm waiting to be discovered by curious travelers. I am green. Go deeper into nature and find peace and passion. Let it become your only driving force. Breathtaking. Come and fly on the wings of the longest cable car in the world. Unravel my hidden paths to the unknown. I am unique. Travel in time through my culture, shaped and reshaped within centuries. I am tasty. Taste the sun with every bite of shiny fruits and drink fresh water. You'll never forget the taste of my traditional dishes. I am smart. Meet one of the strongest chess nations in the world. Find a thriving center of high technologies. I am young. Catch the rhythm of the nightlife. Find yourself wandering the streets full of life and energy. I am hospitable. Enjoy your trip to the fullest, surrounded by the love and kindness of my people. I am Armenia, a homely country with brave opportunities.